आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर रहीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto your screen you are watching very stunning, very beautiful, very colorful and the very unique type of decorations on the tire trays. A wonderful, elegant Easter tire tray centerpieces are here into this photo stream video. So must watch this video till end and enjoy the lovely and the incredible ideas of these colorful, wonderful centerpiece. And if you like one of the idea by watching the video till end, then write us in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you doesn't like the video, then also don't forget to press the thumbs down button so that we know how many viewers from all over the world is liking our videos and disliking our videos. Now, if you have any suggestions, any advices, anything else which you want to watch onto our channel, write us so that we will bring you a wonderful video onto your demands that you want to watch onto our channel. Now you have a wonderful and the beautiful ideas of the tire centerpieces in front of you. Very nice and amazing, very beautiful and colorful arrangements, and the very different kinds of arrangements, always very lovely and very stunning pieces, which gives a wonderful look and wonderful effects to one centerpiece. The different kinds of bunnies with the cardboards and the ceramic with plus organic plants are decorated, and with some mugs and mason jars, genomes and different kind of these things are available. The eggs, the vintage styles are also present in this video. So you have a vast variety of these wonderful centerpieces in front of you. Very nice one and the beautiful styles. The lovely one. Viewers, here I am going to remind you that always watching the video till end, you have to write us that from which city and a country you are watching us, so that we will give you a lot of love and thanks from the bottom of our heart for watching us, for supporting our videos by watching our videos on to the daily basis. And viewers, if you are new onto my channel and you are not subscribed it yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Visit the channel for more interiors, decorations, centerpieces and pot planter ideas. And write us that which thing you want to watch from the interiors, centerpieces, pot planters and decoration. And viewers, share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remind us into your prayers. We'll be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.